Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading so much recently, but I do normally upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. That's why you need to turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. Today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I have a huge box. Oh my god, it's so heavy. From Cherries that they very kindly gifted. Oh my god, dropping it. They very kindly gifted me. So they sent me a £50 voucher. You know, I've worked with them. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. I've worked with them quite a few times before. It's a gifted basis. I'm not paid to do this video or anything like that. But yeah, they gifted me £50 for me to spend on the website and order whatever I want. So I thought I'd show you what I got. We also have a discount code. We have the discount code LuceStephenson 25. I'll put it down below as well. For 25% off your first Cherries order. You have to spend over £20. And I will leave my link down below if you want to click on my link. That would really help. So just so they can see how many people are clicking and buying through my link. I don't make any money from it. I'm not getting paid for this video. I'm just absolutely buzzing to have £50 to spend on Cherries again. So if you don't know what Cherries is, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, it's basically, I describe it as like an online like bargain shop, like home bargains, B&M, but you don't have to leave the house, it can get delivered to your house. They do also do this thing now, which is quite new to me, where it's a delivery pass. So you basically pay £1 a month, it's like a year thing, you pay £1 a month and you get free delivery for like unlimited like free delivery, which I think is absolutely amazing, especially if you do want to pick up some things but you don't want to be spending loads of money, but you don't really want to be leaving the house, especially in these colder winter months that are coming up. So yeah, got my Nanasevo blade. Let's get straight into it. If you've watched any of my previous Cherryz hauls, you know that me and Blake always get absolutely loads of like chocolate and sweets and stuff, because that's what we would buy if we went to like home bargains and B&M. So I'm under strict instructions to film this video so that he's in the room next to me, so that he can start eating the snacks out of it, because it literally only came a few hours ago and he's an eager beaver. So I'll show you what I got inside. They also like change things up on the app, like they upload new things quite frequently anyway, but they have like different things for different seasons. So I don't know if you remember last year, I got all of my Halloween like decor for my YouTube from Cherries. I also got my little mini Christmas tree and my little Christmas decorations from Cherries last year. That was in my YouTube background. So it has other things. We've got like washing detergent from there before, like a massive one, and whatever that video last was that we did, we're still using that same box, like the same big bottle now. So yeah, it's not just for snacks, which is what we normally use it for. They have like cute little garden stuff. They have clothes. They had like a kid's weighted blanket on there. If there was an adult one, I definitely would have got it, because it's meant to really help with anxiety, and I think that would help me like in the colder months and just to feel a bit more like secure sometimes. So I was going to get one if there was an adult one, but there wasn't. It was just kids. And they have like them snooty things as well. They had them on the website, so I had like a good rummage through to see what I wanted, and then I let Blake go a little bit wild with the snacks. If you wonder what little lip combination I've got on, by the way, because this is really beautiful, this is the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in BFF3, and then I've gone in with the Fenty Stunner Lip Paint in Unbutton. I've done like a video testing Fenty not too long ago, and then I've topped it off with the Revolution Shimmer Bomb, which is like just their lip glosses but obviously with lots of shimmer in, and this one's in the shade Starlight, so it just goes perfectly with them. So let's just get straight into it. So these ones are for me because I'm kind of like not hardcore calorie counting, but I'm just being healthy with my options. So it's 85 calories, it's a nice little snack, it helps with my sweet tooth. So I got some of these Butterkiss Crunchy Toffee Popcorn. This is also another one for me, Rainbow Drops. Blake hates these, so I always like to buy them because it means they'll actually last and he won't eat them all before me. And it's really good as well because they have 57 calories in them. I get these every single time. If you've watched any of my previous videos, these crisps are unbelievable, and I've said it and I'll say it time and time again. If you have a hangover and you really like really salty food to really soak it up, oh, these are the bad boys for you. These are the fish and chips salt and vinegar schnacks. Absolutely love these. Perfect for when you have a hangover. Them and Quavers sort me right out. Another Lucy purchase. This is the Party Rings Minis. Again, I get them because, you know, don't really want to focus on calories because that's not my vibe. We're just making healthier options here. We also picked up some baked crinklies. These are so nice. Really like these. These are the cheese and onion flavour. Ooh, so we got some of these. These are the Finning, don't know if that's how you say that. Tornadoes Smooth Raspberry. I love these pencils like this. Going straight in my biscuit. Got some Cheetos. I feel like I'm seeing these more often, like in shops now. So yeah, I've got some 6-pack of Cheetos. Can't go wrong. If you've watched any of the Cherryz hauls, you should have been expecting that this was going to be coming. Garlic meal. I absolutely love this so much. This is the Crucials garlic meal. It's always like a quid. Like, oh, it's unbelievable. If you haven't tried it yet, try it. It's so nice. I got myself some mini gingerbread men. These are really nice, dunked into a cup of tea. Again, just in case you're wondering. Oh my god, I love these gold bars. Yes, thank you very much. Going straight in my basket. Blake got himself some Freddos, some caramel Freddos. He also got himself these choco sandwiches. I find these really dry. Oh, I love these though, little fudges. These are definitely for me because Blake doesn't like them again, so they will last a very long time. Some Parma Violets. I absolutely love Parma Violets. I love the smell of them, love the taste of them. I just love everything about them. This one is for Blake, so I think it's an Aero Caramel. Yeah, Aero Caramel. We always get these. These are for Blake again. These are some pickups. You can get these in. We always get there's like different ones are called something else in Aldi. So we've got some packs of them downstairs because we're just in an Aldi shop like a beginning of the week. It's like Thursday now. So now he is well and truly stocked up. Honestly, from going to Cherryz, it saves an absolute fortune because Blake eats chocolate like there's no tomorrow. So another 2 for Blake. He got himself a Galaxy Crispy and some Kinder Buenos, the little mini ones though. He absolutely loves them. And then there's also a Galaxy Smooth, like normal milk one. Honestly, this couldn't have come at a better time as well because I've just came on my period. If you're in my Patreon, the day that I'm filming this is the day that I dropped my spaghetti all over the floor. It's just not been my day today. It's not been my day. I literally woke up, then I ended up going back to bed for like 40 minutes after about 2 hours of being up because I was like, I'm just done with today already. So this has come at perfect timing. Kit Kat Chunkies. Oh, these are like one of my faves. We also got some roasted and salted cashew nuts. I've been loving these. I've been snacking on like little portions of cashew nuts because I have been like eating more healthy. I've actually lost £9 so far. So yeah, just by making healthier choices and just every now and then going to the gym just to be a bit more healthy and look after myself. We've got some fruit Skittles. Them ones are definitely for me, but obviously we will share. Now these 2 are for me. So we got another one of these because, oh sorry, that probably was really loud. These microwavable food bowls are the best thing ever. So we've still got 2 from our last order that we did with Cherryz and downstairs. So I just got another one because sometimes we'll like store food in them in the fridge and stuff. So it's just nice just to have an extra one. So yeah, got a nice baby pink one. The other ones that we got were like a hot, vibrant pink. I used one today actually to eat my spaghetti out of. And then I got this. So this is a 3-piece drawer organizer set. So it has, I don't know if you can see them there. And I just thought, you know, I'm going to see what the size of these are like and whether they fit into any of my drawers, because I do have some longer drawers that they would definitely fit into, but I've got some smaller ones that I use for like my knickers and my socks and stuff, so I'm hoping that it fits into them. So yeah, I got them. Absolutely buzzing when I saw them. I love anything like organising wise. Oh, I think I might have done a boo-boo here. So we got 3 packs of veggie biscuits. So I put these in the basket first, and then I think they were like £1.99 or something, and I was like, I don't want them that bad. I'll just get the ones that are a quid because I only wanted 1 pack just so I could have a little dunk into my cup of tea. And I must have forgot to take these ones out of the basket. It's a good job that Blake likes them as well because now we've got many rich tea biscuit. But this is going to sound bizarre because I know it's such like a basic choice, but out of all the biscuits that I like dunking a cup of tea in, dunking into a cup of tea, rich tea biscuits are my favourite. It's a very risky job because they get so soft in the crumble, but oh my god, love rich tea biscuits so much. Or custard creams, I do quite like them, but not rich tea biscuits are always going to be the elite ones. Another thing that I got myself is just this mini chopping board. If you're new to my channel, me and Blake are living with his mum and dad at the moment. We're currently looking for a house, so I just got myself a little chopping board just for now, because I was using like this foldy up one that I got from probably from like B&M or something for £1, but it isn't very sturdy, and it's like, yeah, I just thought I'll get like a proper one, but not like a ridiculous size one, so it'll still fit in mine and Blake's food cupboard. So yeah, got myself one of them. Adult life, honestly. When me and Blake buy a house, I'll do a Cherryz haul, and I'm gonna get so much stuff. I'm so excited. I can't wait to just have like my own stuff and have my own adult stuff and just be a grown-up. And then I'll probably get a house and I'll be like, I'm sick of cleaning. But yeah, anyways, moving on, because we still have more to go. I picked up myself some little razors, just some Vic Twin Ladies pack. Blake must have got himself some Haribo's milkshakes. Not really a fan of them. This is literally perfect timing, because I ordered this like 2 days ago. It came really, really quick. I literally ordered it like late one night. The next day it got dispatched, and then the day after it came. So it came really, really quick. It's perfect timing, because I haven't officially came on my period yet, but I've got all the symptoms, and I'm a chocoholic right now. Like, I'm just gagging for chocolate and sweets. So this is literally could not have come at any of a better time. Then we also have some more stuff. We got some, Blake must have put some pistachio nuts in for us. He got himself some Yorkies. I'm not really a big fan of Yorkies. Oh, what's in here? I can't even remember what I added. Oh, it's my dry shampoo, which is really good because mine's about to run out. Anybody else find that with Batiste? When you first spray it, like the first couple of times, it's like really, really intense. But then after a bit, after maybe like 2 or 3 goes of it, it just, you find that you have to spray loads and loads in order to get it to do anything. I don't know if it's just me, but I found the first spray makes my hair like white. I have to be really careful with it, but after that I could literally spray and spray and spray and spray and spray and nothing really happens. So yeah, I got this one. This is the dry shampoo in blush. I like that it was wrapped up. Oh my god, I got this. This is the Nesquik strawberry milk and vitamin D. It's like the powder that you put in with your milk to make a strawberry milkshake. When I was a kid, I wasn't posh enough to have this. Like, we used to get like the cheaper like rip-off brand versions of it, like Asdawn and stuff. So it would be like a very rare occasion that this would be on offer. My mum would be able to afford it. So I'm absolutely buzzing to have it. Like, yeah, absolutely buzzing. So no doubt we'll end up having some strawberry milkshake tonight. And then the last 3 are for Blake. So we have another pack of Freddo. He always gets 2 packs of Freddos. I don't understand why the excess. A pack of Chomps. Not really that bothered about Chomps. And then he also got himself some of the Got To Be iStyler Texture Clay for matte looks. So yeah, that is everything. So we got all this for £50. I think it was like £49 something. So basically £50. Absolutely amazing. Like, imagine buying all this in Tesco. It costs an arm and a leg, and especially with where things are at the moment as well, we need to be saving money and actually just paying like normal prices for food, because prices of food have gone up now. Our shop in Aldi was £100, and we were like, never ever known it cost us that much. But yeah, that is everything we got from Cherryz. I absolutely love Cherryz, like, so much. Like, it's honestly like, it combines my love for like home bargains and B&M, but also staying at home and not having to go out and socialise or leave the house because I'm a little hermit. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have you used Cherryz before? What do you think of it? Have you bought anything from there before? Is there anything that you would recommend me to buy from there? Like, is there anything that's like a hidden gem? Like, I think this is a hidden gem. But you can buy this in like other places, but when you can get it delivered to your house. Thank you. So yeah, thank you so much to Cherryz for gifting me and Blake this voucher. It honestly means absolute world, and it just helps so much with us kind of stocking up on food and on bits and bobs and stuff as well. So yeah, thank you so much to Cherryz for working with me again. It's really, really sweet of them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video tomorrow. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.